how to access the platform using a PC. You type in metaburn.org, then you press menu, then you press back to Playa. This will take a lot, some time to load. So guys, really important, your internet speed is a key factor for the quality of the experience. You press start and then you move around. You press start with your click and you move around using W, A, S, and D, like if it's the arrows. So W will be to the front, S will be to the back, A will be to the left side, and D will be to the right side. You can navigate by teleporting, clicking anywhere in the map, and then you press on the diamond. You go to the Miami camp, and then you double click in Miami 4K. This will take some time to load. You just need to wait. And then the same navigation, you're gonna be in the camp where the live stream is gonna be playing. So that's the tutorial, guys. If you have any question, please contact us. We're gonna be uploading other tutorials on how to access through different platforms. Bye.